So after you get the answer sheet, so go to the, if you get the answer sheet to do the experiment in the computer, go to the desktop and look for this icon XFarm. Okay, XFarm EP. Just click, double click that, and you have to click yes. Then in the computer you may be asked to do either one of the experiment, either effect of drugs on the heart or the effect of drugs on the esophagus. So click on this frog to do the experiment on esophagus, click on the heart to do the experiment on frog heart.
Just to experiment?
Yeah, just two, but you may get different kind of drugs, the combination. Yes. Two drugs, you will be asked to see the effect of two drugs
on these two experiments.
Yes, yeah. Okay. So different possibilities of that. This is to study the effect of drugs on the heart. Double click on the heart and you go to the tutorial. So then it will go to the experiment mode. So here you will be asked to see the effect of two drugs. Okay, just for a moment I am stop recording it. So here you see the drop down list. In that you find the different drugs. Okay, so one of the drug will be here. Select your drug. For example, if your drug is epinephrine, click epinephrine and you can inject. So here the dose will be automatically selected by the computer. You don't have to adjust. Select the drug, the dose will be automatically selected and you click inject. So now the effect of epinephrine, so this is the time during the epinephrine is being effect on the heart. You can see this, and here in this chart, so now the effect of epinephrine is over. Here it is over and it has come to the basal reading. I'm just stop recording. So here at this point, okay, put an arrow EPI, that means epinephrine is injected at this point of time. So then the whatever recording is here, it is for epinephrine. So here you see the BHR, it is basal heart rate. The basal heart rate, it is a like control experiment, and the basal heart rate is 76.
Before injecting of
yes, before injecting. This is before injecting drug. And after epinephrine, you see the heart rate, the reading is displayed here. Heart rate is 83. So here actually you will be asked to see the effect of drugs on the heart rate and the force of contraction. The heart rate is displayed here. Okay, so after epinephrine you can write, so like basal heart rate is 76 and after epinephrine it is 83. And here you see the amplitude of the recording. So after epinephrine injection, the amplitude of the contraction is increased. So the amplitude of the record is indicating the force of contraction. So when the amplitude increased, that means the force of contraction is increased. So you will write for epinephrine, the force of contraction is increased.
Yes.
So like that, this is one reading for epinephrine. So like that you have to take 3 readings. Okay, this is one reading. So to take other readings, and just epinephrine is already selected. Now you click inject. So now you are recording for epinephrine second time, second reading. And when one effect is going on, don't add another drug at the same time. So let the effect of one drug finish. So now the effect of epinephrine is finished. Okay, so it has come to the basal reading, and also you see there is it is gone. When you see blue, that means the effect of drug is still going on the heart. So this is the second reading for epinephrine. So you have to take 3 readings. So like that you take third reading, and then when it comes to the basal level, add the second drug. Select the second drug and inject.
Yes.
And take 3 readings.
3 readings for each.
For the second,
for each
drug. 3 readings for each drug.
In
So-
same experiment, or just I must do
You can do in
one
the-
drug just.
You can do in the same. So that is easier to compare. So if you do in the same chart, it is, for example, when you do acetylcholine, it is small. The force of contraction will become small. Then if you do atropine, you will see the difference. You can see the difference only do in the same chart. So it is better to do in the same experimental setup.
But the my
now-
my recording or my results just for one drug, right?
You will
For
be
epinephrine or-
epinephrine, so you will be asked to study two drugs. So
Uh-huh.
for example, epinephrine, so next drug is like, if your next drug is like acetylcholine, select the drug, okay, and inject. So now you see the effect for acetylcholine. So it is, the amplitude has been decreased very much from the basal records, okay, and I'm stopping. You see this is the time point acetylcholine has been injected, and the heart rate has been decreased after acetylcholine injection, and the force of contraction is also decreased. So like that you take 3 readings for acetylcholine. Then once you have taken the readings, it is done. Then you have to write the observation. So in the observation, so just write what you observe. That means for drug A, epinephrine increase the force of contraction and the heart rate. Drug B, acetylcholine, decrease the force of contraction and the heart rate. Okay, that's it, observation. And when you go to the report, then you have to elaborate, like what kind of receptors it is acting on. Like like you have to explain the result, like why you got a decreased heart rate and force of contraction for acetylcholine. Like simply to say what kind of receptors are acting on, so that you are getting these results. Acetylcholine acting on the muscarinic receptor, which decreases force of contraction and the heart rate.
So
Epinephrine.
so I should know the
This you have already
receptors
studied.
for each drug from this.
Yes, this you have already studied, so it's not a problem for you. You have already studied in the autonomic nervous system. So that's it about the heart. And okay.